Well, now, I always figure it is better to keep your mouth shut if you're stupid than to open it and it falls out. But I want to tell you this.
I want to try that place one day, the horse show.
Even from the time I was a toddler back in Missouri. Before we get too much further out of port, I think I should mention that you better not be sitting on those handrails. They're the only thing between you and the river, and the river don't always take kindly to uninvited guests. We also have reports of river. Now, for those of you on the port side, that's river town we're passing in Frontierland. A few years back, it was no more than a boom town carved out of the wilderness by a handful of settlers looking to start a new life. Today, gentility and decorum are running rampant. Oh, it still has its share of footloose trappers, footloose prospectors, and an Indian or two, but mostly it's flush time, well on its way to become a fine big city. Frontierland reminds me some of my own hometown, Hannibal. It takes me back to when I was a barefoot boy growing up alongside the riverbank. You know, it seems to me that when I was young, I could remember everything, whether it happened or not. But as I grow older, I seem to remember only the things that never happened at all. See that peak just beyond the outskirts of Frontierland? That's Chickapin Hill, or at least it used to be. Danvers a few years back, and folks been calling it Splash Mountain ever since. Some of it has been riding all the way out wrong over the Big Fall. It's far-fetched, I know, but it's true. All my life, I never could tell a lie that anybody would doubt, or a truth that anybody would believe. But believe me when I tell you, truth is the most valuable thing we have. So I make sure I only use it when it comes.
People waving. Love those people waving. Getting a little crowded, everybody. But we have been having such a good day here at the Disney World, everybody. Seriously good day. Started our park pass reservation at Epcot. First thing we did when we got there is got on test track, no problemo. And then, right after test track, I did the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride, everybody. And it was so fun. It's my new favorite roller coaster in all of Walt Disney World, for real. And I actually got to do it twice because I got the regular virtual queue, and I also got the individual lightning lane. So back to back. It was super fun. So after we did that, head over here to Magic Kingdom, and right when we get to Magic Kingdom, we do Big Thunder. And, you know, that's always a hit. Big Thunder is a great ride. And right after Big Thunder, and we move on to eat at Columbia Harbor House, which I'm about to walk under right where I ate. I always eat upstairs, overlooking the people that walk underneath these windows up here that are right in the center of the frame. Man, this is crowded. Hi, hey. Woo! We're in the thick of it, everybody. Everyone's trying to get to their last rides before the fireworks start. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Fireworks are at 9.
She's gonna swing by.
Ooh, all right. So after I got my lobster roll and my girlfriend got her shrimp or whatever, the next thing we did was, holy cow, it's all running. Oh, next thing we did was Jungle Cruising, which always fun. Our skipper, let's just say it was a tough crowd. I think he did a good job, but tough crowd, tough boat. I find that so funny. I was literally just saying that, like, it's no skin off his back because literally 2 seconds later he's got another boat. He literally doesn't care. And then 10 minutes later he's already been through 3 different boats. So he literally does not care if one doesn't go so hot. Holy cow. Those people are trying to run me down. Gotta relax for a second. I'm telling you, I've said that in past videos, but I will say that again. If you ever feel like you're like seriously in a nuts crowd, just stop for 2 seconds. Get out of the way and stop for 2 seconds, and you'll be fine. The crowd will go away, and you'll just be out in the open again. It's so crazy how people like walk in the crowds because they just think, oh, it's like this everywhere. It's really not. It's just for some reason, I think like one person is too slow in the front and then it just accumulates behind them. Oh man, it gets frustrating. But okay, anyways, we did the Jungle Cruise. After Jungle Cruising, went over and hopped on the People Mover. And no complaints there. The People Mover is always a great ride. Directly after the People Mover, holy cow, it is seriously starting to run together, and it is very crowded, so my brain's working overtime here. Oh, look at the castle. That is beautiful. Everybody? All right, sorry about that. Just thinking about, you know, the doohickeys and everything on this. See the bells up there. That's what's going on. All right. Sorry, everybody. Man, whew. Disney World has got a lot going on. After the people mover, oh my goodness gracious. Whew. Holy cow. That was seriously nuts. People are trying to run me down, everybody. Then got ourselves some snacks. I didn't do the Dole Whip or anything this time. I just went with the natural, good old fashioned chocolate and vanilla soft serve. Can't go wrong with that ever. And some cheeseburger rolls, which were always good. Egg rolls, that is.
Look, somebody's climbing the castle.
Oh wow, yeah, there is someone up there. I think I might have missed it, but someone was up there. That's pretty cool. You don't see that a lot. It is busy, busy, everybody. Summertime, summertime. And yep, after we got our egg rollies, after we got our soft serve, then we hopped on the Pirates, which was great. I mean, that's my favorite ride, so it's always good to be on that thing. And after the Pirates, now I'm here. That's my day. I got here at about 1 o'clock, and I've just been going ever since. Super fun day. Some days here at Disney, it just really, everything works out. Today's one of those days for me. It's just going. I love it. Some days, nothing works out. It's like, what is going on here? But that's how it goes. Which is why it's nice to live close to here, because I'd hate to come here once a year and have one of those bad days. I don't think I'm going to go over into Tomorrowland. I think I'm just going to cut back to the hub and go down Main Street. That sounds like a plan. See, I can't do the same dang thing every time I shoot these videos, because what's the point? Then you could probably say, yeah, well, what's the point of shooting them at all? I could watch Tim Tracker or Resort TV 1 or all the good people. Speaking of Tim Tracker, I started watching his videos again. I don't think he does the same thing that I complained about before. About him always pointing the camera at his face. That must have just been a bad habit that he got into, and which made me stop watching. But I'm happy to find out that he doesn't seem like he does that anymore, as much at least. So that's good. Now I have a new back to the Tim Tracker, and they're nice folks. I've always loved Tim and Jen. I mean, they were the OGs. They were the originals. Adam LaRue is he did it a long time too. But I never really watched his videos. I don't have anything against him or anything. It's just, I don't know. It's funny. You kind of just, you watch one, and then it's tough for me to pick up on new people. Like, I just watch Resort TV 1 now. I don't really watch anybody else. Super enthused a little bit. I like her a lot. She's got a good vibe to me. Beautiful. I love it. Oh, cute little girl. Slowly pan up. I gotta do that smoother. I'm just learning though. Also think maybe I've been moving it around too much, even though I literally was telling myself, Jacob, don't do that. Jacob, don't do that. Guess what he does? Starts swinging it around. It's Pride Month here in,
I'm sorry.
well, it's Pride Month in all of America, but it's Pride Month here in the Disney World, and you can tell. I love it. My girlfriend's in heaven because she loves she's a big fan of the gay culture and drag queens and all that, so she's walking around like, oh my God, I love. Which of course is great. I mean, you know, it's great to have things you love. Don't swing too much, Jacob. Don't swing too much. See, we are about to walk into a mess of people. I love this. This is about to be Armageddon, everybody. They need to, they need more Aladdin stuff in the parks. I'm serious. Those were good movies. Why don't they have more Aladdin stuff? All these people getting ready for the fireworks show. Look at this. Woo-wee. The people are out today, folks. I love light up stuff. It reminds me of Disney so much. Like kids with these little light up things like that. That just is like Disney to the max to me.
Yo creo que es 1000 veces mejor. Stoplight firework viewing locations will be inside those yellow teeth lines, down Main Street, USA, and up Umbrellas Castle.
Holy cow. I bet you guys think, man, this guy says holy cow a lot. I don't care. Get used to it. Or get out of here. Of course, I shouldn't be telling people to get out of here. I need all the viewers I can get. This is big, serious business here. Look at the Main Street, everybody. It's good. They do it. They do it. They do good stuff around here on Main Street.
How it is.
Ignore that. What? I accidentally crushed your air jump icon. It's not your pictures.
Had to let that little kid go because that did not make for a very good film. You hear that a lot when you're at Disneyland. Maybe I should have kept it in there because it's true to the thing. Park closes in about 45 minutes. I think it's about 10:15 right now. I think I'll go walk right down the middle. Get a close-up of Walt and Mickey with the castle. Yeah, I'm getting tired, everybody. I'm getting tired of people cutting in front of me. This one guy right over there next to the castle just now was seriously frustrating me. It's like we're sitting in finally a quiet spot and this guy starts playing YouTube videos as loud as he possibly can to obviously get us to leave. It's seriously like, God, I hate how much people are just jerks. Gotta walk around the outside of this photo pass thing. I didn't want to walk right in front of those people's shot. Look at that castle. My goodness, everybody. That's a beaut. Go up a little bit. There we go. We're right in the center of the frame.
Ya se van a quitar. Jenny, ya se van a quitar.
Yeah, people are seriously jerks sometimes here at the Disney. But what can you do, right? Still a fun place to come. I love it. Firework show was pretty good tonight. I like the one at Epcot better though. Never used to be like that. The fireworks show at Magic Kingdom always used to be the number one. And then Epcot, you know, always, it's just a different show because, you know, it's about multicultural and, you know, education and everything. But now it seems like the Epcot one's still multicultural, but more about internal property or intellectual property or whatever it's called. Their movies. But at least that they, you know, take movies that are set in different countries and tie them in with the different countries that are around World Showcase, which is good. I love the Mexico song from, I think it's from Encanto. Or something like that. Main Street, USA, folks, closing time. I shouldn't have just messed with those filters like that. I'll either edit it out or just leave this. I'm talking about it, so I really can't edit it out now. I love that. Why would you want to get a balloon this late? I mean, what are you going to do with it? Just take it home and have it in your hotel room? Turn slowly, Jacob. I don't know which video I'm going to use this footage in. Look at all these people mad dashing out. Goodbye, everybody. From the Magic Kingdom. Well, I'm saying goodbye to all the people, not to you guys.
God, where you going?
I'm standing. If anyone's familiar with Main Street, you'll know exactly where I'm standing by the. Beauty. All right, everybody. It's been a fun night, or a really fun day. I give Guardians of the Galaxy 9 out of 10. I can't really think of anything wrong with it, so maybe 10 out of 10. I mean, I'm not a stickler. Got all my rides done here at the Magic Kingdom. Got test check done at Epcot Bar. I used to, every time I would, like, park hop, I would park at the second park that I'm going to and enter through the first park and then use Disney transportation and then leave. I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I think I'm just going to use my own transportation to get between the parks. That's awesome. All right, everybody. With that, I'm going to get out of here because this is a rush. So I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe.